All right, this is gonna be weird. So the first part of this video I recorded last night, but the intro explaining what the heck is going on didn't say. So I got the Denali stuck again. Literally, I uploaded the video of Laura getting it stuck, and today, exact same thing. So what happened is I got this thing stuck again. This time it's way further stuck. I called Kirby, he's gonna be here soon. Here's what happened yesterday, and when Kirby gets here, I'll pick back up and record. Every neighbor that drives past is going so slow looking like, oh God, what happened? I forgot my normal camera at work, so I'm using a different one, but I'll show you how close I got to making it. So this is where things started to get a little haywire here, but I made it literally. These are the front tires. That's my garage. So made it here and then went backwards. Couldn't get the car in neutral fast enough, so the tires were spinning a little bit. Oh gosh, what a dork. All right, so things are a little more dire than I had thought. I have a lot of ground to make up, so I think I'm gonna snow blow a bit of a path first, and then revisit this. Here's Nana. I think, well, I didn't realize there was as much snow there, so I think I'm gonna snow blow some of it out. It's only like 20 minutes later, but totally dark now. Snowblower, pretty much all the way around. And, you know, I got that, but ran out of gas, so I'm gonna give it one yank with that thing. And if that doesn't work, then I'll just call a truck or something in the morning, because I do not feel like dealing with it. Alright, it hasn't really been that long since the clip that I just said. It hasn't really been that long, but I don't have a tow strap. I have a ratcheting tie down, and I had both ends from when we towed it out the last time. Like a moron, I threw both ends over here out of the way of the snowblower directly into the path of where it shot all the snow, and digging in the dark sucks. So I'm gonna give up for tonight and resume tomorrow. Probably like get Kirby to come help dig me out. All right, Kirby just texted me. He should be here any minute. I thought I was out of gas, but evidently I did have gas in the gas can, so I am gonna fill up the snowblower here in case I need to do that today, or I guess any day. So yeah, I was thinking to try to go forward, but it's so much snow. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because it's all. I just don't want to hit the nail. Yeah, I'm less worried about that. Well, still gonna hit it. I'll just return the car. 5-day money back guarantee. Yeah, that's what we did last time. If we hook up on this side of the hitch and you come this way, we just take it slow. Okay. Hey Kirby, thank you for helping me. You're welcome. He said he could, quote, yank me out of that cute parking spot that I was in real quick. And boy, he sure did. I love having friends that are as hillbilly as I am.
This mailbox.
I mean, couldn't have gone any better than that. My savior, thank you.
Price is right.
In here, I was going to pay 50 bucks to some hillbilly to do it.
You know what I'm getting you for Christmas next year?
Tow strap?
AAA membership.
You know what I'm getting my wife for Christmas?
AAA membership.
Snow tires.
Snow tires.
Dude, these are full-on summer tires. That's the issue.
That's what happens when you buy a car from Wyoming.
I mean, I thought Wyoming got a lot of snow. All right, so Kirby got us unstuck. Let's look at the aftermath. This is pretty intense. All right, so this is where you can see I got way far off. My driveway ends right here. That's where we were. All right, good Wednesday. Rob and Kate and I are going to Grand Rapids. Laura's going to DC, but Rob, Kate, and I are going to Grand Rapids for the boat show this weekend. So that'll be pretty cool. We'll probably have some videos of that.